Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So first you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery section, and here you have battery percentage. Show battery percentage in status bar. And as you can see, when you have this feature enabled, you can see your battery charge in percent inside the battery icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.